come take a seat. Today with numbers, learning is sweet. Sun shines so bright. Learning starts with morning light. Two little ducks swim in the stream. Counting is fun, just like a dream. Three green leaves fall down the tree. Say the number loud with me, 3. 4 tiny paws go tip, tap, tap. Clap your hands and give a clap. 5 bright stars begin to glow. High in the sky, they twinkle so. 6 little bees buzz all around. Can you count their buzzing sound? 7 colors in the rainbow bright, painting the world with pure delight. 8 small fish swim and glide in the river side by side. 9 sweet birds sing chow, chow, chow. Counting them makes us say, aha! 10 tiny friends all wave and cheer. Numbers are fun, let's clap loud here.